Do you hate your dentures? Do they flop around when you smile, speak, or eat? Wouldn't it be nice to feel youthful again? How about smiling, speaking, and eating with confidence? Radiant Smiles Dental Care of DrBinHoang has a solution with the All-On X. Provides stability and strength to your teeth with the help of dental implants, so you don't have to worry about your teeth falling out of your mouth when you eat, smile, and speak. And now, All-In X is more affordable with low monthly payments, with all-inclusive pricing, no hidden fees, and a 10-year no-questions-asked guarantee. Get yours now and be absolutely sure. Visit www.mysanjuancapistrano.dentist.com or call 949-366-1160. Mention this video for an exclusive offer of a free exam and 3D x-rays, $400 value. You can find us at 27514 Calle Arroyo, San Juan Capistrano, California, 92675.